Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a lock by Bronx LockPicker 60. This guy's called Easy Going. You can see there's the bidding on that guy. So it works with the clockwise. Counterclockwise it's a little sticky, but it does go. So I figured I might try to do this in hand today. So there we go. 3. That happened a lot faster than I thought it was going to. I got this new tool. I should take the back right off that son of a gun. Pretty slick little unit, actually. Yeah. This is metal unit. This thing works like a friggin' champ, too, dude. So there's that. And oh shoot. 5-pinner. Let's see what we got going on this bad boy. Nice serrations there. Nice serrations. The beautiful little like wavy serration thingy. Little tiny guy. It's more serrations, and in the core looks like we got is it undercut, I think, on one, and then we got threads on 2, 3, 4, and 5. So really nice there. And then see what we got up in the Bible. Oh, that pin's sick, dude. BOP, man, you got some shit going on, bro. What is that, dude? I don't even know what to call that, man. It's like the amount of serrations in this thing is like, oh boy. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. A lot of serrations in that thing. Crazy. Alright, now doesn't look like anything done to the Bible. Oh no, maybe we do. I'm gonna have to pull these springs out of here. I'm out of time now. So we got steel, copper, steel, big copper, man, and a little steel. So and then in the Bible, oh yeah, it's got serrations in the whole thing, man. I don't know if you can see those or not, but here we go. This is what we got. Look at all of those sick pins on the top, man. I don't even know what to call those things, bro. S-I-C-K. Sickness. Anyway, this is from Bronx LockPicker 60. Thank you, my brother. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.